Do you need to learn how to sing that song? I'm loving to teach you. I am. Head over to MarquitaWaters.com. Check it out. Hello, 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 and welcome again. John Roger Stevens, known as John Legend, was born in Springfield, Ohio on December 28th, 1976. Now, my students came in one after another wanting to sing his song, All of Me. The song was released in 2013 and was from the album Love in the Future. No wonder so many of my singers wanted to do this song. It was one of the best-selling digital singles of all time. And it isn't hard to sing. It's very easygoing. If you've watched the video, you know the sentiments and the sentimentality that goes with this song. He wrote it for his fiancée, and you probably know this, who is his wife now. Her name, Chrissy. Now, he brings to mind Nat King Cole, Dean Martin, Perry Como. I bet you're scratching your head wondering who they are. But then again, maybe you've heard them or listened to them. You love listening to singers from days gone by. Well, these are smooth, easygoing singers from days gone by. Many days gone by, huh? Folks, it pays to start early, but it isn't too late to start your career also. John Legend started piano playing at the age of 4. He was homeschooled by his mom in the beginning and went to the University of Pennsylvania. I'm from Philly. He performed at the Tower Theater in Upper Darby, Pennsylvania. Now, I lived in Lansdowne, Pennsylvania, just a few miles from Upper Darby, and I used to go to the Tower Theater to see movies. And just recently, I visited my sister and her husband. They live right down the street from the Tower Records, or Tower, I was thinking LA. The Tower, it's a small world, isn't it? It brings back memories of me walking everywhere, even to Upper Darby. I love to walk, and I still do. I do more hiking now. How did he get his name? A poet, J. Ivy, said he sounded like one of the legends. Yes. And started calling him John Legend. Now, and he does. Go look up the singers I mentioned. He sounds like them. Even though John Stevens didn't want to take on a stage name, he finally did. He was the second youngest person to achieve all 4 major American entertainment awards: the Emmy, the Grammy, the Oscar, and Tony. EGOT, the EGOT. All of Me was written in A flat, G sharp for you wonderful guitar players. His vocals go up to an F4 at my head's underwater, and then to an A flat 4, okay, where he slightly mixes just a little bit. So I give you all of me, and cards on the table too. And when he hits that A flat, some would call it a light chest, and some would call it head voice, slight mix. No matter what you call it, just know and understand what the sound is. The name can vary from person to person and how they look at it. In 2020, the song Bigger Love was released, and his highest note was F4. Now, what did I say? His style is easygoing, not pushing. He doesn't go very high. He keeps it comfortable. I could learn a few things from this. How about you? You know, I just sometimes, you know, we want to impress people with our range, what we could do. And what we could do is concentrate on the ease with which we sing our songs. I tend to push a little bit too much. So this is food for our thoughts. Me too. Always be ready to learn. Always be ready to change or grow. Okay. That's it for today. Are you a smooth singer? Is it hard for you to sing light? You know, what are the problems that are going on with you? Let me know in the comments, okay? I love hearing from you. Ring the bell. Let me see. You gotta subscribe. Okay. It is a wonderful, wonderful day. Always make your days the greatest, the best that they can be, because it is such a day, such a mighty fun day. Bye.